Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 3D printers for business. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a 3D printers for business, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Longer Touchscreen 3D Printer. Brand name, Longer. Model number, LK4 Pro 3D Printer. Full color touchscreen. Full metal big size high precision 3D drucker. Enjoy new design for fun on 3D printing, ultra quiet printing with super big 4.3 touchscreen of FDM 3D printer for better users experiences. Better frame design, more relax, unique frame design for more beautiful appearance and easier to clean up the debris during printing. Better configuration, quieter printing, integrated with 3 kits of TMC 2208 to provide quieter printing and smoother surface of models. 4.3-inch super big touchscreen. Built-in 4.3-inch super big touchscreen to a better reaction with printer. No more knob. Just touch by your fingers. New user interface design. More friendly user interface to understand and operation. Printer dimension, 425 by 402 by 505 mm. Material, 1.75 mm PLA, ABS, wood, etc. Working temperature, 20 degrees Celsius 40 degrees Celsius. Fast heating with high power hotbed. Number 4. Flying Bear Full Metal Frame 3D Printer. Brand name, Flying Bear. Model number, Flying Bear Ghost 5. The Z-axis is driven by TMC 2208, with low noise and high precision. The printer uses a transparent BMG extruder, which is not only stable in feeding, but also easy for maintenance. Printer can connect to Wi-Fi, and it is more convenient to print with Wi-Fi. Printer adopts 3.5-inch color touchscreen, larger screen to make operation more convenient and simple. Printer adds a filament loss resume function. Printing process done, squat need to worry about filament exhausted and print failure. Printer adds a power loss resume function so that you don't have to worry about a sudden power cut. Bed size, 275 by 215 by 200 mm. Printer size, 388 by 337 by 411 mm. Output file format, G-code. Compatibility, Windows, Mac. Number 3. Artillery High Precision 3D Printer. Brand name, Artillery. Model number, SWX1. Adjustable spool holder, can support up to 3 kg filament roll. Filament runout detection and recovery. Clean cable management, 95% pre-assembled. Direct drive extruder, great support for flexible filaments. Fast heating AC heat bed, reaches 110 degrees Celsius in 130 per second. Minimalist design, tempered glass with 4 legs glued on, minimal weight for maximum speed. Memory card and flash drive printing. Large leveling knob for easier leveling. Power failure detection, resume your print after power outage. Goodbye to print job ruined by power failure. Color touch screen control. Synchronized dual Z system, steady movement under high speed. Patent pending Z-nut coupler, say goodbye to layering. Inductive and stop sensors, higher precision. Exclusive ultra-quiet stepper driver. Maximum printing speed, 150 mm per second. Color print speed, 60 mm per second 150 mm per second. Filament, PLA, ABS, flexible PLA, wood, PA, hips. Maximum working speed, 250 mm per second. Number 2. Keepang Touchscreen 3D Printer. Brand name, Keepang. Model number, KPS. 3D printer aluminum resume printer. High precision touchscreen. Industrial linear guide is used as Y-axis high printing precision. Scientific metal structure to make sure printing performance stable and high resolution. Flexible magnetic sheet 3D printing models are easy to take off. User-friendly 2.4-inch LCD touchscreen, high resolution and clear display in 8 languages. Resume printing from first layer, saving time and avoiding wastes if power off. Build size, 180,180,180 mm. Auto leveling, upgradable 3D touch. Operating systems, Windows, Mac, Linux. Number 1. Creality 3D Ender 3 Pro Printer. Brand name, Creality 3D. Model number, New Ender 3 Pro. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Printing speed, normal, 100 mm per second, limit, 180 mm per second. Bed temp, 110 degrees Celsius. Maximum printing speed, 180 mm per second. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, normal, 100 mm per second, limit, 180 mm per second. Filament, 1.75 mm PLA, ABS, PU, copper, wood, carbon fiber, gradient. Operating system, Pro, SolidWorks, UG, 3D Max, Rhino 3D design software, etc. Body structure, imported V-slot aluminum bearings. Printing method, EF card, online, offline. Industrial design, product and process board production. Art design, a highly difficult process to form complex shapes. Mechanical design, verification and testing of mechanical design process. Architectural design, building the prototype design and planning, construction sand table model. Medical research and development, design and production of medical institutions. Personalized design, DIY and personalized design enthusiasts production. Educational institutions, model teaching, design and experiment.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.